I'm Ryan Milligan with Winar Connection, and I'm here to show you some of the heavy gauge crimp configurations we offer. Now, when I say heavy gauge, I'm referring to wire that is 8 gauge and larger. We have equipment that allows us to crimp all the way up to 750 MCM. The ultimate goal when crimping is to provide the lowest possible electrical resistance while still retaining the highest possible strength to prevent the possibility of damage during use. First up, we have a 4-indent crimp. Next is a circumferential crimp. Next, we have a hex crimp. And last but not least, we have a W crimp. If you guys are having trouble or issues with your heavy gauge crimps, whether you are outsourcing or crimping in-house, please reach out. We would be more than happy to assist you. We can provide crimp samples for testing and evaluation. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for your time.